Did you know that over 44% of population in the whole world now have a side hustle, and nearly one-third make over $1,000 per month? Which you people within the gig economy now, you know it is already booming. There's never been better time and a better place to make money overnight. Literally, this is a right time. Whether you need extra cash for bills, savings, or just want to boost your income, I've gotten for you 10 to 20 side gigs that pay fast and they pay big. Some of them can pay you as early as one day, and others a week. Others can even pay you on a monthly basis. I've gotten 20 side gigs, and some of these gigs, they pay hundreds of dollars, and even others pay thousands of dollars per night. Let's dive in them. But before we dive in them, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your girl, the girl that decided to say, you use your handset, you use your what is within you and what is around you to fight poverty. You might not get rich overnight, you might not get the money on the first day, but it's a process. We're going to see how you can earn $1,000 within 4 hours. When I'm talking about 4 hours, you'll understand as you continue with me. Putting that aside, a salute to all our incoming new subscribers, and even a special peg to you guys, our royal viewers, our royal guests, our royal students, the ones who said, okay, let's put in our phones, let's put on always our smart TVs to look at this beautiful lady and even what she teaches us. Thank you very much. Let's dive in and see the first one. The first one is called freelancing. And when I'm talking about freelancing, I mean in particular freelancing writing. If you can write quickly and effectively, platform like Fiverr, Upwork, or Text Broker can pay you $50 to $300 per article overnight. The second assistant, many of the businesses need help with their emails, scheduling, or social media sites. Like Berry, like Fancy Hands, and Upwork can also help you to earn $20 to $50 per hour. When we go to the third one, there is proofreading and editing. If you have an eye for details, proofreading jobs, reading poll can earn you $25 to $100 per night. What do you think about proofreading and editing? When we go to the fourth, it is transcription work. Transcription work, I've been talking about it every time. On transcription work, we have platforms like Rev and even Transcribe for Me. These ones, they let you make $15 to $50 per hour transcribing audio files. Should we check the fifth one? The fifth one is called online tutoring. Teaching online through platforms like Chegga or VP Kid, these ones can make you earn $20 to $60 per hour, and you can work at night, at any time, depending on the schedule that you have. Selling digital products has never been easier like what it is now in this gig world. Create and sell printables, templates, or ebooks on Etsy or Gumroad. Some sellers, they make around $500 plus overnight from trending products. But this calls for you to make sure that you should be always attentive to details and even to trends to know what is exactly trending product and even what is moving on. The seventh one is one that I gave you recently. You should be very familiar with it. It is called drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the best business that you can side gig. Even you can make it a business, you can make it a permanent one if you're serious and without any upfront cost, and even without the lifting your finger to look for a store, as in terms of physical store, to do inventory, workers, and other things. What you need to have is your smartphone. You need to have is your idea, the trending, the searchable and trending product, and you move on. Launch a simple dropshipping store on Shopify and promote it using TikTok or Facebook ads. Even you can promote it with YouTube, any platform that you find customers there. Profitable stores can generate $100 to $1,000 overnight. And now we are talking about $1,000 in 4 hours. Let me break for you this $1,000 in 4 hours. If every day you're investing 1 hour in each of the tasks, one of it, and you make 1 hour, meaning if you choose to take 3 to 4 of them, you'll be investing in 3, like you're investing 4 hours per day. And if you're investing 4 hours in one of these ones I'm giving you, it means at the end of the week, you're going to get even more than 1,000. Another task is flipping items. Find undervalued products at thrift stores or on Facebook Marketplace and resell them for a profit. Some people flip products for $100 to $500 in a single night. The 9th one is what I'm doing and what I always tell you to do. Social media management. Offer to manage Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter accounts for business. Charge around $200 to $1,000 per month for a few hours of work. I've seen my friends advertise for it. You can do it. Why not? Because there are some people who are busy to do it for themselves. Then 10th one is voice cover work. Voice cover work, like this video, really coming to camera, sometimes it is very hard. But do you know I can give you my transcript and you do the voice cover work when I have already the videos? Do you know that? So got a great voice. If you have a great voice, websites like voices.com and even Fiverr can pay you around $50 to $500 per job for quick voice cover gigs. The 11th is pet sitting or dog walking. This one, it is always done on weekends. Places like in Gulf countries, even European countries, all these ones are there. That is if you want it to be one-on-one. But if you want it to be official, you can visit websites like you can visit apps like Rovers. These ones allow you to get paid $30 to $100 per night for watching over their pets. If you have a taste and a good sense of photography, it is one of another gig that is in number 12. Stock photography is very good. If you look at this video, all what I've put there is stock photography, and even from Pixel, from anywhere. They are being sold. Even some of them, as long as they are free but you download, the owner of them gets some amount of money. If we have a good camera, sell your photos or Shutterstock, or you can even you can use Adobe Stock and make passive income overnight. Do you have that car that is just for only moving from one place to another, or at your workplace to home or to church? That's what you're using it. Use Tulo or get around to rent your car when you are not using it. Some owners make $50 to $100 per night. Yesterday, one of my neighbor was asking me, can I rent your car? I'll be giving you around $10 per day. I'm like, why not $500 per day? So this is the right platform for you. Mystery shopping is another gig. Do you know you can go to Basemark or MarketForce to get paid $20 to $100 per assignment for reviewing businesses? So you can go there, and mystery shoppers are very many. They are wanted everywhere because business want to see how customer service is in their shops, and even how the guest approach is being done when they do pay the employees, but they are not perfect whether they are doing eye service. There are this kind of people who will only attend to customers when they know the managers, the high management is around. Selling feed pics is very profitable. Yes, it is a real thing. Sites like Feedfinder, they allow you to make $500 to $5,000 per month selling niche photos. Can we go to the Airbnb hosting? If you have an extra room, renting it out on Airbnb can bring you $50 to $300 per night. So go for that. Why leave it to just be there? The 17th one is playing video games. Streaming on Twitch, Kicks, or YouTube gaming, they can generate for you donations, sponsorships, and even ad revenue very fast. You know this, we have been talking about it. Testing websites and apps is very good. Companies like User Testing and Try My UI Pay, they pay around $10 to $60 per test for simple websites. There is no website that is going to get out, that is going to be launched without being tested. So what you do, jump over this and make money testing these apps. Should I tell you the 19th one? Are you ready? Driving for Uber or Lyft is another gig that you can start within your free time. If you have a car, You can easily make $100-300 per night driving for rideshare apps. Why not do that if you have that car lying inside there? Selling plasma or blood donations is very good. Some donation centers pay $50 to $100 per session, and you can donate twice a week. If you want to know some of these apps that do pay for blood, please write it in the comment section. There you have our 20 overnight side gigs that can pay you some good amount of money, in particular from $100 to $1,000 very fast. This is a really serious gig and serious cash. Now, which one are you going to try first? The pro tip I can give you guys, don't always try one. You can try 2 to 3 of them. Choose among the 20 and you're like, which one should I try? And you'll find yourself hitting $1,000 in 4 hours, in one day, in 1 week is very easy. What you do, you time yourself, you plan yourself, you focus video to subscribe. By the way, you should have subscribed by the time you watched up to this point. Please share to your friends so that you can show them love by knowing what is going on Immaculate Show. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.